Dear learners, how are you? We are here again. Welcome to our online class. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Let's start our class. Here is my identity, Minnatul Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. And our selective book is English for Today for class 7, and our discursive lesson unit is Unit 3. Dear learners, here is a picture, and what can you see here? If you have recalled your previous class, then you can recognize the picture. Yes, it's a office room. The head teacher is here and Flora is with her mother. She is in her new school and she is talking with the head teacher. So dear learners, today we will discuss about Flora's first day at school 2, part 2, unit 3, lesson 3. Unit 3, lesson 3. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to ask and answer the questions, talk about familiar events, read and understand text, write answers to questions, write short compositions. I may repeat: ask and answer the questions, talk about familiar events, read and understand texts, write answers to questions, write short composition. As usual, here are some vocabularies, and the vocabularies are: intelligent, its adjective, bright. Intelligent, its adjective, bright. Stare, verb. Stare, verb, gaze. Nervous, adjective, worried. Afraid, adjective, feeling fear or anxiety in a particular situation. Feeling fear or anxiety in a particular situation. Welcome, verb, to greet or receive cordially. To greet or receive cordially. Experience is noun, skill or knowledge that you get by doing something. Intelligent, its adjective, its synonym is bright. Stare, its verb, synonym is gaze. Nervous, its adjective, synonym is worried. Afraid, adjective, feeling fear or anxiety in a particular situation. Welcome, its verb, synonym is to greet or receive cordially. To greet or receive cordially. Experience, noun, and its synonym is skill or knowledge that you get by doing something. Skill or knowledge that you get by doing something. Now come to the text, please have a look. Flora continues her story. Flora is continuing her story with Farabi. In your previous class, we see that Flora is talking with Farabi about the experience of her first day at school, and in this part she is continuing her story. It took us half an hour to reach the school. It took us half an hour to reach the school. They need only half an hour to reach the school. I saw many students on the school campus. I saw many students on the school campus. Some were playing and some were talking to each other. She noticed that there were so many students on the school campus and some of them were playing and some of them were talking to each other. I didn't know anyone, but she could not recognize anyone, but nobody was known to her. So I was a little afraid. So she was feeling a little nervous. My mother soon took me to the head teacher. Her mother took her to the head teacher's room. He asked me a few questions and I answered them intelligently. The head teacher asked some questions to her and she could answer all of them. The head teacher was very pleased. Head teacher was pleased with her. He put his hand on my shoulder and said, "Good, you are a highly intelligent child. You know a lot. I will take you in my school. I hope you will be happy here." He put his hand on my shoulder and said, "Good, you are a highly intelligent child. You know a lot." The head teacher was so much pleased that he put his hand on her shoulder and congratulated her and praised her highly. I was admitted to class 1. The head teacher was a very nice person. He called a teacher and said to her, "Miss Laila, this is Flora. She is a new student in class 1. Take her to the class, please." Flora was admitted to class 1. The head teacher was very much liked by her. He called a teacher named Laila and hand over Flora to her to take her class 1. Miss Laila took me to the class. The class teacher welcomed me and gave me a seat. Flora went to her class with Miss Laila and the class teacher welcomed her and gave her a seat. All the students in the class were staring at me. All the students were gazed at her. I felt a bit nervous. To see all the new faces. Flora was a little bit nervous to see all the new faces because nobody was known to her. But soon I felt easy. But very soon she felt easy with another. I could make friends with 2 or 3 students sitting close to me. She made friends with 2 or 3 students who were sitting close to her. A new place is a new experience. So my first day at school is a new experience in my life. I will remember the day as long as I live. We know that a new place is a new experience. When we go to a new place, we experience something new. So Flora's first day at school was a new experience to her and she could remember the day as long as she lived. Here is some question you have to answer the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. How long did it take Flora to reach the school? How long did it take Flora to reach the school? An hour, half an hour, less than half an hour, 1.5 hours. Number 2. Flora was a little afraid when she reached the school campus because the campus was full of students. It was the first time she went there. All the people there were unknown. The school was a long way from home. The campus was full of students. It was the first time she went there. All the people there were unknown. The school was a long way from home. Number 3. The head teacher was pleased with Flora because Flora, looked very innocent, had a sweet voice, could answer the head teacher's questions, was very smart. Number 4. Who took Flora to the class after admission? A teacher, a peon, her mother, the head teacher. Who took Flora to the class after admission? A teacher, a peon, her mother, the head teacher. Flora felt nervous in the class because it was a new place. The class teacher was very strict. She did not know any students in the class. The class did not welcome her. It was a new place. The class teacher was very strict. She did not know any student in the class. The class did not welcome her. The correct answers are number 1, half an hour. Number 2, all the people there were unknown. Number 3, could answer the head teacher's questions. Number 4, a teacher. Number 5, she did not know any student in the class. Make sentences from this table. Flora's mother. Here are subject, verb and extension. Flora's mother, Miss Laila, the head teacher, the students in the class, Flora. The verbs are asked, made, stared, took. At Flora, friends with few students, heard to the head teacher, Flora some question, heard to the class. The sentences are Flora's mother took her to the head teacher. Flora's mother took her to the head teacher. Miss Laila took her to the class. Miss Laila took her to the class. The head teacher asked Flora some questions. The head teacher asked Flora some question. The students in the class stared at Flora. The students in the class stared at Flora. Flora made friends with few students. Flora made friends with few students. Here is your homework. The homework is, how do you feel about the students and the teachers on your first day at school? Write in short about that incident. Thanks for today. Be safe and follow the rules of hygiene.